on the topic Reimagining the Foundation of Commerce with Blockchain-Based Contracting. We have with us Chanaki De Costa, CEO, Director, Future CX Proprietary Limited. Chanaki De Costa is an experienced Chief Executive Officer with a demonstrated history of working in the computer software industry. She's skilled in presentation skills, administration, general management, and teamwork. She's a strong business development professional who graduated from the University Aldersgate. So thank you so much, Chanaki, for joining us. If I may request you to kindly unmute yourself and put the video button on.
Hi.
And thank you for being a part of the World Blockchain Summit by Trescon.
Yeah. So good afternoon.
Over to you. Thank you.
Yeah. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Chanaki De Costa from Future CX. On behalf of my team, it's my pleasure to meet you all at the World Blockchain Summit today, where we meet all the world's biggest thought leaders. A brief about me, as you said, I was a country head of last 21 years, a Bureau Veritas Sri Lanka, a multinational giant in service industry. It was always striking my mind how to deliver an iconic brand to this challenging digital world, as the privacy and security is core requirement today. The idea of establishing Future CX conceived initially with 3 members in Melbourne, Australia. As a multinational, we are now with 10 members, including core development team sitting in Sri Lanka. Future CX is a member of Australian Blockchain Association. Our roadmap is set up and will present in Singapore and USA in 2021. Our vision is to become the trusted and innovative blockchain service provider. Our values, integrity, transparency, and sustainability always drive us forward with new innovation. So what is Bithel? During the recent pandemic, the whole world is trending towards contactless trading, transaction, and communication. Security of data is paramount in industry. Is potential of cyber attacks against the platforms provided. Recent cyber attacks in some countries, crypto markets, as an example, Mt. Gox hack, Bitfinex hack in 2016 caused huge loss to the market. So during the speech of Don Tapscott in the morning, he clearly mentioned that the criminals are using technology for cyber attacks. So after comprehensive research and development studying the current issues in the system, Bithel, a multi-language blockchain platform, will be launched soon. Bithel is the ideal solution, one-stop shop to almost all the industry. Bithel comes with a complete setup of functioning, a blockchain with all the capabilities and abilities of a true blockchain environment. Bithel principles are unique and novel. We envision complete privacy as data transmission with 4 separate channels, naming Guardian, Standard Node, Micronode, Private Channel, where the integrity of data is well respected and protected. Bithel offers scalability through a tick-off checkbox where the end user can scale and allocate the resources within entire ecosystem to customize your need. Bithel offers ultra-fast data transmission within the outside and inside of ecosystem, which is unmatched in the current industry. Bithel Oracle offers unmatched capabilities to the users, unavailable in any other framework today. Bithel training and development will improve our users' ability on how best to use the Bithel development kit for their customized needs. Bithel development kit is unique. It provides a room for innovation, save time on learning and development curve. It provides you a hybrid network along with the private and public network where you will experience this only with Bitel. The Guardian nodes control the entire network. The notary service is also controlled by the Guardian nodes, which is unique feature in Bitel. Standard nodes work as a private ledger and support for transmission in and outward data. Our micronodes are unique to Bitel, and these can be used for enterprises with IoT. These micronodes provide the highest level of data transmission security. So, Bitel provides minimum configuration and development curve to software developers. So, I hope that you will agree with me why I say Bitel will be one-stop shop. Bitel data messaging system is the fastest with 1 million messages per second. Bitel consists of 7 languages, that is Java, Node.js, C++, Rust, Python, .NET and Go. I hope that you will never ever experience to a platform with 7 languages, which is a dream for us, but it will come true very soon. So these will come out with the timeline. So Python blockchain development kit will support the developers for artificial intelligence. So our roadmap starts today. Expect our IEO in Q3 of 2020. Follow on the Bitel Global Network release in Q4 in 2021. So let us move to the Bitel Advanced Digital Diversity. I hope, as with all these features, we look after the federal finance, resources, and central banks of countries. Now we know this is one of the key requirements of most of the countries on the KYC platforms, etc. So Bitel ecosystem will fully support to all the industries you named. We support. Bitel will assist all the issues while the current centralized systems are decentralizing via blockchains. So if you need to do so, Bitel will be there for you. Bitel cater almost all the systems controlled by the public sectors of the government, starting with KYC, as I told you, and many more. You named it, we provide it. Future trending, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence is solidly catered by Bitel. Oracle service, enhance cross-chain functions which allow public network in the DeFi market, which will allow crypto trading. So, it's last but not the least. So we strongly believe as a team that Bitel will exceed the expectation of the user requirement. For better tomorrow, it will be blockchain. If it is blockchain, it is none other than Bitel. So join with us today. Start working on your own blockchain innovation with Bitel. Please visit our stall as our team is there to assist you in any concerns that you have faced today, and we are support to go forward with your journey with innovation of blockchain. Thank you.
Thank you thank you so much for joining us, Chanaki. That was brilliant to have you on the World Blockchain Summit.
So great to have with you all, and it's really interesting, all the speeches that we were really interestingly and we were engaging with from the morning, and it is really geared. We all are geared. So that is why I think, as one and only the female speaker in this forum, I could strongly tell all of you that we all move together and we can take it forward very confidently, because this Bitel has come out with very strong R&D work, because behind Bitel there's a huge work and lot of energy is there. That is what I was confidently saying you named it, we give it to you.
Sure. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Chanakhi, for being there with us.